Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and it's been a while since nag-voice over ako sa mga previous na upload videos ko. This time it is extra special because I'll be traveling with my good friends, and it will be fun, adventurous, and exciting. It was just a plan last October na mag-travel kami sabay-sabay, and we are lucky na finally na-approve ng management ang request namin na mag-leave kami on a specific date ng sabay-sabay. So thankful lang at natupad yung wish ko na makasama ko itong mga friends ko on my first international travel na purely vacation lang, walang work related. So ito na nga, our flight going to Georgia is 5 a.m. in the morning, Doha time. And ito na, bago kami syempre sasakay ng eroplano, maglilibot muna kami sa Orchard. Ito na ngayon. Of course, meron diyang mga picture-picture, video. It's normal to us Filipino. Kaya it takes time for us to reach on our gate because ito nga, yan, picture taking. So, umpisa pa lang, masaya na agad kami. This time, nagmamadali na kaming bumalik sa gate number namin kasi in 30 minutes, magbo-boarding na. Pero tingnan nyo naman, wala pa rin sawa ng pagpipicture. So that's the end of my video for today. I hope na na-enjoy nyo at samahan nyo ako until next time. Bye for now!